It is natural to consume raw foods. Our bodies thrive on all that is fresh and vital. A raw food diet or increasing the amount of raw food that you eat is bound to bring a feeling of increased well-being. The raw food diet is based on unprocessed and unripe foods, preferably organic, fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, dried fruits, fresh juices and pure water. Why raw foods? In fact, vegetarian diet, eating raw foods and drinking foods promotes living foods. The fiber available in raw products in living foods and juices is maximized, which is lost during processing. Such foods are easily metabolized and have fewer calories than the average diet. Eating food above 116 Fahrenheit above destroys the enzymes in the food, which aids digestion and reduces its nutritional value in food absorption. Benefits of a raw food diet. A diet containing at least 75% raw food provides many health benefits, including increased energy, better skin, better digestion, weight loss, and reduced risk of serious diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. The raw food diet is low or saturated fat, low in sodium, high in potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Raw food diets are also excellent detox diets. Various combinations of raw, live foods and juices can be used for colon cleansing, liver cleansing, kidney cleansing, and skin cleansing. The basics of a raw food diet. Any fresh fruits, vegetables, grains, seeds, beans, nuts, legumes, young coconut milk can be menu items of a raw food diet. Your food choices may depend on the causes of your diet. For example, sprouted brown rice reduces glucose absorption and improves metabolism. Cabbage supports healthy cellular function. Radish leaves act as antioxidants, like shiitake mushrooms. Carrots are a good source of vitamin A as well as promote healthy vision and a healthy cardiovascular system. You can also use green cover like Easy Green Automatic Spotter to germinate wheat grass. Sprouts are called superfoods. Organic sprouts contain large amounts of protein, vitamins, minerals, trace minerals, chlorophyll pigments, and enzymes and are ideal natural ingredients. Sprouts can be used in salads and soups or juiced. Fresh juice produces live juices that are rich in essential nutrients. The nutritional value of grains and seeds is impressive. They contain a lot of vitamins, especially A, B, and E. They are excellent natural sources of unsaturated fatty acids and lecithin, and an excellent source of protein. You can also use soy milk, like soybeans, to make non-dairy drinks from individual beans, rice, nuts, seeds, and grains with breakfast. If you want something more substantial than soy milk, you can make your own tofu or visit a good health food store. In particular, the idea of a raw food diet is to eat unprocessed food for at least 75% of the time. If the idea of raw food is not very tasty for you, you can heat the food little until the food is not higher than 116 over Fahrenheit. Note carefully. With any major changes in diet, it is advisable to consult your doctor before starting a particular diet. This is especially true for children, pregnant women, people with anemia, and those with pre-existing medical conditions. Natural foods may also differ with some medication. So please ask your doctor or pharmacist if you are taking any medications. This is because the raw food diet detoxifies some people who suffer from mild detox reaction including mild headache, nausea and crash. These symptoms last for several days, and if you reduce the intake of meat, sugar and caffeine for a week before starting the diet, you will get more pleasure from your raw diet. A raw food diet is definitely a good way to improve your overall health and well-being. Anything meaningful requires time, energy, and commitment. Since most foods are made from scratch for this particular type of food, it will take some time. There are many great products on the market that can help you make your own living food as well as save some time. The raw food diet, combined with regular exercise, is also an excellent weight loss method. If you feel a little off or need a pick-me-up and some extra energy, a raw food diet is definitely a good way to go.